Good morning, students. Welcome to Tata Chem DAV Public School Mithapur online classes. Myself Kavita Modi. Today we are going to start chapter 2, multiples and factors. In this chapter, our topics are introduction, multiples, factors, prime number, composite number, twin prime numbers, co-prime numbers, and some examples. Let's start with multiples. What is multiples? The meaning of a multiple is the product result of one number multiplied by another number. For getting multiples of a number, we recite the multiplication table of that number. So multiples is equal to tables. For example, let's solve some questions. Question number 1. List the first 5 multiples of 100. Everyone know the table of 100? So the answer is the first 5 multiples of 100 is equal to 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Let's solve one more question. Question number 2. List all the multiples of 15 between 50 and 100. To find the solution, first we will write the multiples of 15. Everyone know the table of 15. So multiples of 15 is equal to 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150 and so on. So the multiples of 15 between 50 and 100 is equal to 60, 75 and 90. You have to remember some important points in multiples. Number 1. Every number is a multiple of 1 and number itself. Number 2. 0 is the multiple of every number. Our next topic is factors. Multiplying two whole numbers gives a product. The numbers that we multiply are the factors of the product. For example, 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. In this example, 2 and 4 are the factors of the product 8. Let's solve one more question. Find the factors of 9. Think all the possible combination of 9. Always start listing the factors with 1 and number itself. So 9 can be written as 1 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9. It can also be written as 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Are any more combination? No. So that's it. There is no other product of two numbers that would be result is 9. So the factors of 9 is equal to 1, 3 and 9. Let's solve one more question. Are the following numbers prime or composite? Show by finding the factors. Number A, 48. To find all the factors of 48, we have to think of all the possible combination of 48. Remember, when listing factors, always start with 1 and number itself. First, we write the number as a product of two numbers. So 48 can be written as 1 multiplied by 48 is equal to 48. Is 48 divisible by 2? Yes, the product can be written as 2 multiplied by 24 is equal to 48. Is 48 divisible by 3? Yes, the product can be written as 3 multiplied by 16 is equal to 48. Is 48 divisible by 4? Yes, the product can be written as 4 multiplied by 12 is equal to 48. Is 48 divisible by 5? No, it is not. So leave them. Is 48 divisible by 6? Yes, the product can be written as 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. Is 48 divisible by 7? No, it is not. So leave them. Then we move on 8, which is already covered here. When we know that we had covered all the possible product of two numbers, so the factors of 48 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Let's take the next question. Question number B. Find the factors of 89. Think all the possible combination of 89. Everyone know if we listing factors, always start with 1 and number itself. So first we write the number as a product of two numbers. 89 can be written as 1 multiplied by 89 is equal to 89. But 89 is a prime number. So it is not divisible by any number other than 1 and number itself. So the factors of 89 is equal to 1 and 89. Let's take one more question. Find the factors of 101. Think all the possible combination of 101. Always start listing the factors with 1 and number itself. First, we write the number as a product of two numbers. So 101 can be written as 1 multiply 101 is equal to 101. But 101 is also a prime number, so it is not divisible by any number other than 1 and number itself. So the factors of 101 is equal to 1 and 101. Hope you understand how we will find out the factors. Our next topic is prime numbers. A number that has exactly two factors, 1 and number itself, is called a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. are prime numbers. In prime number, you have to remember some points. Number 1, the smallest prime number is 2. Number 2, 0 and 1 are not considered prime number. Number 3, the smallest odd prime number is 3. Number 4, the smallest even prime number is 2. And number 5, prime numbers are also called non-composite numbers. Answer the question. Question number 1. Write down the first 10 prime numbers. Let's recall prime numbers. A number that has exactly two factors, 1 and number itself, is called a prime number. So the first 10 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. Question number 2. Write down all the prime numbers between 50 and 110. And the answer is all prime numbers between 50 and 110 are 53, 59, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97, 101, 103, 107 and 109. Question number 3. Find the greatest two-digit prime number. And the answer is the greatest two-digit prime number is 97. Our next topic is composite numbers. A number that has more than two factors is called a composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, etc. are composite numbers. You have to remember some important points in composite number also. Number 1. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Number 2. The smallest composite number is 4. Number 3. The smallest even composite number is 4. Number 4. The smallest odd composite number is 9. And number 5. Any whole number greater than 1 is either prime or composite. Answer the question. Question number 1. A number lies between 2000 and 2070 and has 5 in its ones place. Is it prime or composite number? Give reason. To find the answer, first we will write a number lies between 2000 and 2070 and has 5 in its ones place is equal to 2005, 2015, 2025, 2035, 2045, 2055 and 2065. Yes, it is a composite number because the last digit is 5, means it is divisible by 5. So all the numbers have more than two factors. Question number 2. Write the smallest odd composite number. And the answer is the smallest odd composite number is 9. Hope you understand prime numbers and composite numbers. Our next topic is twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. For example, 3 and 5, 11 and 13, 41 and 43, 51 and 53, etc. Our next topic is co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime when they have only one as common factor. For example, 3 and 5. We know that factors of 3 is equal to 1 and 3. Then factors of 5 is equal to 1 and 5. And the common factor of 3 and 5 is 1. So 3 and 5 are called co-prime numbers. Answer the question. Question number 1. Write any 4 pairs of twin primes. Let's recall twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. So the answer is 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 17 and 19, 29 and 31. You can write any 4 twin prime numbers. Question number 2. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? Number A, 13 and 14. Number B, 8 and 20. Number C, 31 and 59. And number D, 34 and 85. To find the solution, let's solve one by one. So first we solve number A, 13 and 14. We know that factors of 13 is equal to 1 and 13. And we also know that factors of 14 is equal to 1, 2, 7 and 14. So the common factor of 13 and 14 is equal to 1. So it is a co-prime numbers. Let's solve the next question. Question number B, 8 and 20. First we will find out the factors of 8 and 20. We know that factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then factors of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Then we will find out the common factors. So common factors of 31 and 59 is equal to 1, 2 and 4. What we observed? 8 and 20 are co-prime? No, 8 and 20 are not co-primes because they have 3 common factors. The next question is number C, 31 and 59. First, we will find out the factors of 31 and 59. We know that factors of 31 is equal to 1 and 31 because 31 is a prime number. Then factors of 59 is equal to 1 and 59. Why? Because 59 is also a prime number. So common factors of 31 and 59 is equal to 1. So what do you observe? 31 and 59 are co-prime? Yes, 31 and 59 are co-primes. Let's solve the next question. Question number D, 34 and 85. First, we will find out the factors of 34 and 85. We know that factors of 34 is equal to 1, 2, 17 and 34. Factors of 85 is equal to 1, 5, 17 and 85. Then we will find out the common factors. So common factors of 34 and 85 is equal to 1 and 17. So what do you observe? 34 and 85 are co-primes? No, 34 and 85 are not co-primes because they have 2 common factors. Hope you understand twin primes and co-primes number. Hope you understand multiples, factors, prime number, composite number, twin prime numbers and co-prime numbers. Students, learn and write all the definitions once in Maths CW and complete lesson 2, worksheet 1, question number 1 in textbook and question number 2 to 10 once in Maths CW. Thank you. Have a nice day.